Activity, my topic of choice will be aircrafts and specifically military aircraft. I recently read a book by the title The Skunk Works by Ben Rich, which depicted the scenario during the Cold War and the intense rivalry between USA and Soviet Union. Now, Lockheed, which was one of the USA's leading government organizations, developed most lethal sophisticated reconnaissance aircraft during the 90s by the name Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Now, this aircraft still holds the world record of zero casualties during operation and could travel at a speed 5 times faster than the speed of sound, that is Mach 5. And this aircraft could easily evade radars and cause system failure of the missiles launched at it, and there's no way that any aircraft could engage in a dogfight to this ruthless brutal machine. And the most intriguing part of this aircraft is that Russia's or Soviet Union's leading engineers was the one that helped USA to develop anti-radar material to be used during operations. Thank you.